Hello everybody, Kris Gethin here, CEO of KAGED Muscle, and right here I'm presenting to you Clean Burn. Clean Burn is our fat burner. Now I'm on a bit of a shred at the moment, so of course I'm taking Clean Burn. I don't usually take it in the off season or if I'm bulking, but if I'm wanting to lean out, which the majority of my clients want, this is what I get them to supplement with. Now the effects that you get from Clean Burn are of many. Number one, helps with your appetite. When you're in a calorie deficit, a lot of time people eat food and then once they finish their meal, they're like, what else can I eat? They want to continue to eat. So this will help satisfy those cravings. It can help with appetite as well, suppressing. So if you want to suppress your appetite, if you want to control your cravings, particularly in the evening or whenever it usually hits you, sometimes it's that 5 p.m. slump, I suggest the Clean Burn. And you'll take it a couple of times throughout the day. You take it before your meals or you could take it with your meals. And there's also a product in here that helps stabilize your blood sugar levels. So you may have seen me in the morning having an ice bath and I have a 24-hour blood glucose monitor on my arm because that helps me stabilize my blood sugar levels. And what also has a profound effect with blood sugar regulation as well is Clean Burn. So obviously that is another reason why you'd want to take it. And there's another ingredient in here as well, which helps shuttle your fat into the mitochondria, that's your body's engine, to be utilized as energy, okay, which is exactly what we want. We want to utilize the stored fat that we have to be put into an energy source so we can then expire it through activity, okay? So I suggest that you take Clean Burn if your goal is to get ripped, to get lean, to get ready for a photo shoot, getting ready to go on holiday, a bodybuilding show, whatever it may be. Clean Burn is gonna be your friend.